Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 1st, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the US dollar yen, we did have a pretty good bounce from the daily time frame, 61% Fibonacci retracement. On this time frame, it definitely did overshoot it, but if you shoot up to the daily for just a second, it was actually spiked, down below and then pulled way back. We do need to remember the daily and weekly is in an uptrend, so anything we see to the downside definitely still could be a pullback within an uptrend. If we start getting some very significant breaks of structure to the upside, it could turn into another impulsive move to the upside, continuing the higher time frame uptrend. On the other hand, if it does more of a overlapping corrective pattern up to like a Fibonacci retracement level and then bounces down, till we get this 4 hour time frame break of structure, we do have to keep in mind that the trend is not really confirmed to be back up until we get this break of structure. So if you see a corrective pattern, Fibonacci bounce, you might want to get back to the short side. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.